Hi everyone, welcome to
amazing channel of Brilliant Katha.
When you are rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to what? Another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Brilliant Katha.
Hi dears, welcome back to Master NEET live DPP session of the chemistry. Today, chemistry section. Today we are going to discuss the important question from the chapter equilibrium. I hope all of you are ready. So send some hi in the comment box, then we can start, guys. Come on, guys. Are you ready? Okay, yeah. Okay, so we can start with the question. Today we discussed so many ideas about equilibrium in the class. So we are going to discuss some very important questions. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready. Okay, so we can go to the questions directly. So this is the first question, guys. This is the first question. What is the solubility of lead sulfate in 0.01 molar Na2SO4 solution? They are asking about a sparingly soluble salt. Okay, they are asking about what? A sparingly soluble salt, lead sulfate. So this lead sulfate is in 0.01 molar Na2SO4. Okay, its KSP is given, KSP of that sparingly soluble salt is given, KSP is given, okay, KSP is equal to, KSP of lead sulfate is equal to given 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 9. 10 to the power minus 9. Then they are asking, what's the solubility? What's the molar solubility? What's the molar solubility in 0.01 molar Na2SO4? That's the question. So we know that PbSO4 is what? It is a sparingly soluble salt. It will dissociate. To give you lead 2 plus SO4 2 minus. Since it is a sparingly soluble salt, they will form an equilibrium. Okay, they will form an equilibrium. That idea, you know. I am taking let the solubility of lead sulfate is S. Then the solubility of Pb2 plus is S, and that of SO4 2 minus is S. And this lead sulfate is not alone. This is not in water. This one we are taking in 0.01 molar Na2SO4. Na2SO4 is made up of by a strong acid H2SO4 and NaOH, a strong base. So it's a salt formed from strong acid and strong base. It is a strong electrolyte. So Na2SO4 will completely dissociate to give you what? It will completely dissociate to give you what? 2Na plus SO4 2 minus. Okay. Then what is the molarity, concentration of Na2SO4 they given? 0.01 molar. 0.01 molar. Is there any common ion here? Yeah. SO4 2 minus is the common. Na plus and Pb2 plus not common, okay. SO4 2 minus we are obtaining from lead sulfate as well as in that solution, in that mixture, and we are getting SO4 2 minus from Na2SO4 also. So if I am taking 0.01 molar Na2SO4 means it's a strong electrolyte, it will completely dissociate. I will get 0.01 molar SO4 2 minus also I will get. Hope idea is clear. Now I have to find out what? KSP. I have to find out KSP of this lead sulfate. How I can write the KSP of this lead sulfate? KSP is equal to, I know the formula, I will write it here, okay. I will write it here, guys. You can see KSP equal to, okay, KSP equal to, you know, that's equal to concentration of lead 2 plus into concentration of SO4 2 minus. Its ions, okay, it's the product of its ions. Stoichiometric coefficient are 1, so we can directly write like that, okay. And what's the concentration of Pb2 plus? Yes, concentration of Pb2 plus is S. Concentration of Pb2 plus is, we can write it is S, okay, we can write it is S. What's the concentration of SO4 2 minus? Listen to me, guys. What's the concentration of SO4 2 minus? SO4 2 minus we are obtaining from lead sulfate as well as from Na2SO4 also. So the total concentration of SO4 2 minus is S plus 0.01. S because of PbSO4 and 0.01 because of what? Na2SO4. So total value is S plus 0.01. 0.01. So sulfate concentration is obtained from, that's the idea you have to remember, from both solution we are getting, okay, from lead sulfate as well as from Na2SO4 we are getting that common ion means we have to take the sum, okay, idea clear. But the thing is that this solubility is very much smaller, very smaller value. So what I can write, guys, this S plus 0.01 is approximately equal to 0.01. No need to write that one. If you know the concept, no need to write that S. You can directly write. If it is S plus 0.01, no need to write. If it's a common ion is there, that common ion's concentration you can take directly from the strong electrolyte. That's enough actually. But to understand only I wrote, okay. So here KSP value we know. What's the KSP value? 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 9. Okay, this value is 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 9. Then instead of this one I can write S into this S plus 0.01, I will write what? 0.01. So what is S then? 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 9 divided by 0.01. That means 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 7. Here 10 raised to minus 2, that means 10 raised to minus 7. You just think about this S. It's a very smaller value. No need to add with 0.01. There is no meaning. Okay. So what's the S value? That's the question. S value is equal to 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 7. Option A is the correct answer. I hope all of you guys got it. Ready? Kavyasha, yes, Magashri, good evening. Okay, Vishnu Prasannan, yeah, you got it, I hope so. Okay, ready. You got the answer, I hope so. Okay, ready. Tell me, Kavyasha, Magashri, got it? Yes, Isham, yes, A is the answer. Okay, ready. That's it, guys. So we can move to the next question. Okay, we can move to the next question. This is the question. Dissociation constant of a weak acid HA is, I think there is a small correction is there. This is not 10 raised to minus 17. It is actually 10 raised to minus 7. Okay, it's actually 10 raised to minus 7. 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. 10 raised to minus 7. Find out the pH of its 0.1 molar solution. It is a weak acid, they are telling. I taught you. In the case of weak acid, concentration of H plus equal to C alpha. If alpha is not given, then I taught you one more formula. Alpha equal to root of Ka by C. Here alpha they didn't given. Instead of that, they are given dissociation constant. What is dissociation constant? Dissociation constant is Ka. Ka value only they given 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 they given. Alpha they didn't given. So instead of alpha, what I can write? C into, instead of alpha I can write root of Ka by C. That means C I can take inside. So that will be become Ka into C square by C. So that's equal to root KAC. So either you can remember concentration of H plus equal to C alpha if alpha is given. If alpha is not given, root Ka into C. Is it okay, guys? Root Ka into C. That's it. That's the concentration of H plus. Now you can substitute the value. That's equal to root of Ka value. Ka value is given 1 into 10 raised to minus 7. Is it okay, guys? Ready? Then what about C? Concentration of acid is given. What's the concentration of acid they given? What's the concentration of acid they given? 0.1 molar. 0.1 molar. 0.1 means 10 to the power minus 1. While you are multiplying 10 raised to minus 7 into 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 8. So root means 10 raised to minus 4. So now I got the concentration of H plus. I got what? Concentration of H plus. Ready? Yeah, concentration of H plus I got. Concentration of H plus I got. If I got concentration of H plus equal to 10 raised to minus 4 means, then what's the pH? What's the pH? Minus logarithm of concentration of H plus. Minus logarithm of concentration of H plus equal to what? Minus logarithm of concentration of H plus means what? So that is minus logarithm of concentration of H plus is 10 to the power minus 4. That means 4 will be the answer. 4 will be the answer. Suppose if they cannot give 10 raised to minus 17. If it is minus 10 raised to minus 17 means you will get the answer 10 raised to minus 18. Root if you are taking means 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 17 minus 9 only you get. For an acid, pH cannot be 9. Okay, that's not possible. So this is the answer. So pH equal to 4 is the answer. I hope you guys got it. Ready, Isham, Kavyasha, Irfan, Magashri. If you are getting answer means you have to put the fire in the comment box. Okay, ready? Yes guys, okay. So we can move to the next question. You have to keep the energy. You have to keep the energy in the comment box. Okay, that's the fuel for us. Ready? Yes, Vishnu Prasannan, yes, that's it. Okay, next question. Which of the following is lowest pH? Lowest pH means stronger acid. That means you must have to remember concentration of H plus increases, pH value decreases. Concentration of H plus increases, pH value decreases because pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus. So if H plus is increasing means that minus log if you take means that will decreases. You have to check in which case pH is more. What about here? What in which case concentration of H plus is more? What about concentration of H plus in 1 molar H2SO4? Hello. One thing you have to remember, concentration of H plus we are expressed not in terms of molarity, in terms of normality. Its molarity is 1 into its n factor. Hydrogen can donate H2SO4 can donate 2 H plus. That's why 1 into 2. That means 2 normal. 1 molar means 2 normal. 1 molar means 2 normal because into how many hydrogen it can replace, how many H plus it can donate. Okay, so concentration of H plus is equal to 2 normal. What about 1 molar HCl? 1 molar HCl is concentration of H plus equal to it can donate only 1 H plus only. So 1 into 1 normal. Molarity and normality are same. H2S is not a strong acid like H2SO4 and HCl. It will dissociate sparingly. It will dissociate partially only 2H plus S2 minus. So no need of consideration because they are strong acidic. So 1 molar NaOH. What about 1 molar NaOH? In the case of 1 molar NaOH, that contains OH minus only. OH minus concentration only it contains. How much it contains? It contains 1 molar means 1 normal NaOH because NaOH means 1 OH minus. So OH minus concentration is 1 normal. So that H plus concentration will be very less because OH minus only more. That's why only it is basic. So what's the answer? Answer is 1 molar H2SO4 is the answer. 1 molar H2SO4 is the answer. That's the strongest acid. Okay. Ready guys? Ready Isham? Yes. Sound is really dull. I don't know why, what happened. Okay. Now can you hear me now? Is it audible? Zaki, yes. Now sound is okay now. I hope sound is okay now. I hope. Ready. Okay. Yeah. I hope you are. My sound is dull now. Okay. Reminding everything is okay. Ready. Okay. Yes, fine. Okay. So we will be there up to the end. Up to the May 5, we will be there. If sound is going, that and all, not a problem. Okay. We will be there with this much energy. Okay. You have to be with us. We have to get an admission in some very good reputed medical college like AIMS, JIPMER, etc. Okay. Don't forget it. Okay. So we can go to the next question, guys. We can go to the next question. This is the next question. Listen to me very carefully. They are asking about the pH of. Listen to me very carefully. They are asking about pH of 0.005 molar calcium acetate. Calcium acetate. This is the formula of calcium acetate. CH3COO twice Ca. This is the formula of calcium acetate. While you are looking this one, you must have to remember it is actually formed from acetic acid. Acetate means acetic acid, CH3COOH. Okay, and from where? Calcium hydroxide. It is a strong base. It is a weak acid. So that means this salt is basic in nature. Which nature? Basic in nature. This salt is basic in nature, and its pH we can calculate by using the formula pH equal to we can calculate the pH by using the formula 7 plus half into pKa plus log C. Okay, 7 plus half into pKa plus log C. That's the formula. If it is a, this is actually for weak acid plus strong base salt. Okay, if it is a weak base plus strong acid salt, means 7 minus half into pKb plus log C. That's the formula. Okay, so that's the idea you have to keep in mind. We can substitute the value. Here it is 7 plus half into, what's the pKa value? pKa of acetic acid they given how much? 4.74 they given, plus logarithm of concentration. What's a concentration? Concentration. Here they are telling 0.005 molar calcium acetate you are taking. Concentration value you are doing, you have to remember very carefully. This one on dissociation. You will get calcium 2 plus 2 acetate ion you will get. Its concentration only you have to write. That CH3CO minus concentration only. From acetic acid you are getting that acetate ion. Its concentration only you have to write. Its concentration they are giving it is 0.005. If you are taking this one, you will get 2 acetate ion. So if you are taking 0.005, it will be 2 into 0.005. 2 into 0.005 means how much you will get? 2 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 3, 10 into 10 raised to minus 3, that means 10 raised to minus 2 you will get, 10 raised to minus 2. So that you have to write 10 raised to minus 2. Is it okay? 10 raised to minus 2. Now you can substitute the value. What's the value? 7 plus half into 4.7. 4.7 log 10 raised to minus 2 is minus 2. Okay, so 4.7 minus 2 means 2.7 by 2. So that's equal to 7 plus 2.7 by 2. 27 by 2, 1.3 something it will come. Okay, so 13.5 it will come. So 7 plus 1.3, that means 8.3 will come. Is there any option like that? Yes, option D is the correct answer. Don't forget this formula for what? Weak acid and strong base salt. If it is strong acid and weak base salt, means it will be pH is equal to 7 minus, which is the weak there. Weak means weak base. So 7 minus half into pKb plus log C. That formula you have to remember. Okay, don't forget the idea. So then again we can move to the next question, guys. Is it okay? Ready? Kavya, ready? Yes. Okay, so we can move to the next question. The pKa, another one they are giving the same way. Another one they are giving pKa of a weak acid. pKa equal to 4.080. Ready? And pKb of a weak base. 4.78. And the pH of an aqueous solution of corresponding salt Ba. This is Ha, this is BOH. Once they are mixing, you will get a salt BA. Salt BA. How the salt is forming? From weak acid as well as weak base. I already taught you, if you are having a weak acid and weak base salt solution, it's a buffer. What kind of buffer? Simple buffer. It's simple buffers pH calculation I taught you in the class. Okay, what was the formula? pH equal to 7 plus half into, I hope you remember, pKa minus pKb, pKa minus pKb, okay, pKa minus pKb, okay. So I will write this one, I will note that idea here again. If it is a strong acid plus weak base, strong acid plus weak base salt means, strong acid plus weak base salt means 7 minus, okay, pH equal to, I am note it down again, I am listing down again for you people only, pH equal, I will write here, okay, you can see here while I am writing, you cannot understand there, I will write here, you can see this is for you people, okay, don't forget, if it is a salt of strong acid plus weak base, okay, strong acid plus weak base means its pH you can calculate by using the formula, pH you can calculate the formula 7 minus half into pKb plus log C, okay. If it is a salt of weak acid and strong base, weak acid and strong base, then pH equal to 7 plus half into pKa. If it is weak acid means pKa plus log C, and salt of, okay, salt of weak acid plus weak base, salt of weak acid plus weak base, pH equal to, what's the formula? 7 plus half into pKa minus pKb. And if it is a salt of strong acid plus strong base, pH equal to 7. pH equal for NaCl, pH equal to 7. This formula, if you remember, means you can easily answer the question. Don't forget the formula. Okay, I hope you guys got it. Yes, Irfan. Yes, this is the formula. You have to remember. This is the formula. It's a weak base. So it's a weak base. It's acidic. So less than 7. It's a weak acid, strong base, greater than 7. So 7 plus. And acidic means pKa. Basic means, which is weak means, accordingly we have to take it. Okay, I'm going back. You can note this one. You can take a screenshot there. I hope you will do that one. Okay, don't worry, you will get it. Okay, no issue. We can go back to our question. This actually is salt of weak acid and weak base, so pH equal to, what's the formula? 7 plus half into pKa. What's the pKa value they given? pKa equal to 4.080, okay, minus pKb. pKb is 4.78. The students, they have the common sense, they know the idea. If pKa increases, acidity decreases. pKb increases, basicity decreases. So here pKa value is less, pKb value is more. So that means its acidic strength is more. That's salt how both are weak, even though it will be a little bit acidic. That means its pH will be less than 7. That's the idea. Or else you substitute the value, that time itself you can understand. 7 plus half into 4.080 minus 4.78. So that will be minus 0.7. Minus 0.7 you will get. So that means 7 minus 0.7 by 2. What is 0.7 by 2? 0.35. So 7 minus 0.35, that means 6.65 will be getting. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. I hope all of you got the idea. Ready? Yes, Magashri. Not 9.22. 9.22. Option is C. 6.625. Ready? Come on. Tell me. Yes, Kavya Shah. Yes, Magashri. Yes, ready. Mohammad Isham. Yeah. Irfan, you got the idea. I hope so. 6.65 is the pH value. Ready? We can move to the next question, guys. We can move to the next question. This is the next question. Okay. Which of the following solution will have pH equal to 10? pH equal to 10. pH equal to 10 they are asking. Okay, now we can take about each and every options. We can take each and every options. Okay, we can take each and every option. What about first option? 1 into 10 raised to minus 10 molar. 1 into 10 raised to minus 10 molar HCl solution. It is, we cannot take concentration of H plus equal to directly 10 raised to minus 10 because it is less than 10 raised to minus 7. So we have to add 10 raised to minus 7 from water also. Water also H plus is there. Both we have to add. That time its pH will be less than 7. You have to remember, keep it in mind, always less than 7. pH of a acid will be always what? Less than 7 only. It cannot be greater than 7. Here you are taking 10 raised to minus 10. Yes, HCl is a strong acid. Then if you are taking minus log H plus means you will get the answer 10. That is wrong. 100% wrong. Why? Because acid's pH cannot be greater than 7. So that is wrong one. So you have to remember, if you are going in a wrong way, if you are a value you are getting pH greater than 7 means you must have to remember its value is a little bit less than 7. Okay, so that means 6.9 something, that only the pH will come. So that is not the answer. What about the second one? 1 into 10 raised to minus 4 molar NaOH. Yeah, so this one you are taking 1 into 10 raised to minus 4 molar NaOH you are taking. Let's say NaOH is a base. NaOH is a base. So if you are taking 10 raised to minus 4 molar NaOH solution means it contains concentration of OH minus. What's the concentration of OH minus? That is given 10 raised to minus 4. 10 raised to minus 4. Concentration of OH minus is 10 raised to minus 4 means POH equal to minus log concentration of OH minus. That is minus log 10 raised to minus 4. That means 4. POH equal to 4 means pH equal to 14 minus 4. That means 10. So that's the answer. That's the answer. This one cannot be. This one cannot be. So option B is the correct answer. Ready? Yes. Okay. So option B is the correct one. That's the idea. Don't fed up with this first option. Okay. That is wrong. 10 raised to minus 10 molar means that is very dilute strong acid means its pH will be less than 7. Just less than 7. If it is a very dilute strong base means just above than 7. 7.1 like that it will come. Don't forget the idea. So we are moving to the next question. This is the question. Listen to me very carefully. We discuss this idea in the class. What's the question? The dissociation constant of two acids HA1 and HA2 are, dissociation constant means Ka1. Ka1 of first acid is given 3 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, Ka1 of another acid, that means I am taking Ka2 equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. This is actually Ka1 and Ka1 of two acids. Okay, this is not for same acid, two acids. Then they are asking about the strength. I taught you the formula, strength of acid 1 divided by strength of acid 2 is equal to, we can find out by using the formula alpha 1 by alpha 2. But alpha they didn't given. Instead of that, what they given? Ka1 and Ka2. So instead of that I can write what? Root of, instead of alpha 1 I can write Ka1 by C. C will get cancelled, divide by Ka2. Like that I can write either alpha 1 by alpha 2 or root of Ka1 by Ka2. So I can substitute the value. What is root of Ka1? Root of Ka1 is 3 into 10 raised to minus 4 divided by Ka2 how much? 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay guys. So this one I can cancel. What I will get? Root of. This one I am writing 3 by 18. Here 10 raised to minus 4 and here 10 raised to minus 6. Now 3 and 18 will get cancelled. So 1 by 6 into here 100 will remains there. 100 by 6 means root of 50 by 3. That means approximately root 16 will come. That means root 16 means that is 4:1. So strength of acid 1 by strength of acid 2 means root 16 means 4 by 1. 4 by 1 means 4:1. Option B is the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? B. So don't forget the idea. Strength of acids. Strength of acid 1 divided by strength of acid 2 equal to, what's the formula? Alpha 1 by alpha 2. Degree of dissociation of first acid divided by degree of dissociation of second acid, or else that's equal to what? Root of Ka1 by Ka2. Dissociation constant of first acid, root of dissociation constant of first acid divided by dissociation constant of second acid. Ready guys? Okay, then we can move to the next question. This is the next question. What's the question? The pH of 1% ionized 0.1 molar solution of weak monoprotic acid. Monoprotic means only one H plus is releasing. So concentration of H plus equal to, what's the formula I taught? C alpha or root of Ka into C. Here they given what? Alpha they given. Alpha equal to 1%. 1% means what? 1 by 100. 1% means 1 by 100%. Okay, per 100, 1 by 100. So what about concentration? Concentration is 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 into alpha is how much? 1 by 100. Alpha is 1 by 100. So this 100 will go to top. This is 10 raised to minus 1. Total 10 raised to minus 3. Then what's the pH? pH directly you can calculate minus logarithm of H plus. Minus logarithm of H plus means minus logarithm of 10 raised to minus 3. You know the logarithmic property, log a raised to x means x will come out. So minus 3 will come out, minus 3 into minus 3. Then 3 log 10. Log 10 is 1, that means 3. 3 is the answer, pH equal to 3. Is there any option? Yes, option C is the correct one. Option C is the correct one, pH equal to 3. Guys, got it, got it. Venkata Subbareddy Motkala, you got it? Yes, 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 okay. That's it, okay. That's the spirit. We can move to the next one. This is the next question. Very important question. Listen to me very carefully. They are asking about this kind of question will be there for the NEET exam point of view. pH of solution obtained by mixing 50 ml of 0.2 molar H2SO4. You are going to mix 50 ml 0.2 molar H2SO4 and 50 ml 0.2 molar NaOH. You are going to mix an acid as well as base. So what will happen? They will undergo neutralization. Then final how much H plus is there or final how much OH minus is there, that we have to calculate. They are asking about the pH. So let's look about, while we are mixing this one, what about its V1? V1 is 50 ml. This is molarity. Molarity is how much? 0.2 molar. But I don't need molarity. I need what? I need normality. So I can write normality of acid into Na. Volume of acid. What's the normality of acid? How much? This is molarity. Is molarity of acid Ma. Volume of acid Va. What about normality of acid? Normality of acid is equal to, in the case of H2SO4, its N factor is 2. That means it can donate 2H plus. So molarity 0.2 means normality double. 0.2 into 2. 0.2 into 2. That means 0.4. 0.4 into its volume is 50. 0.4 into 50 means 4 into 5, 20. So 20 millimole equivalent is that unit is Na into normality into volume is called number of millimole equivalent. That I taught you in the class. I hope you remember. Molarity into volume is called number of millimoles. Normality into volume, number of millimole equivalent. This is 20 millimole equivalent is there. What about here? What about here? You look about the base. Here, what about the base? In the case of base, we are talking about NaOH. NaOH. Its volume is V base is equal to 50 ml. Its molarity Mb equal to 0.2 molar. In the case of NaOH, it can donate only one OH minus. That means its normality and molarity are same. Molarity and normality are same. So 0.2 normal itself. So what about NbVb? NbVb. I mean number of millimole equivalent of base how much? 0.2 into 50. 0.2 into 50 means 10. What's the idea? Here 20 millimole equivalent is there. Here 10 millimole equivalent is there. They will react. How much only will react? From here 10 will react. Then how much will remains there? This acidic 10 will remains there. That means the mixing solution, the after mixing solution will be acidic. That's it. If both are 20 means neutral, pH equal to 7. If that is more than, this is 30, this is 20 means what? That is more, this is less. So the final mixture is basic. That's the idea. Then now we understood that its number of millimole equivalent is more. NaVa is greater than, now we got the idea, NaVa is greater than NbVb. That means the solution is acidic. The solution is acidic. So obviously the concentration of H plus only will be the final mixture. If It is reverse means OH minus. Okay. So here mix is equal to, how we can calculate, NaVa minus NbVb divided by total volume. What's the total volume? While you are mixing 50 ml acid and 50 ml base means Va plus Vb. Total we have to add. Okay. Total volume we will add. So Va plus Vb. This one we got 20. This one we got 10. Divide by 50 plus 50. 100. 50 plus 50, 100. That means 10 by 100. 10 by 100. 10 by 100 how much? 10 by 100 equal to 1 by 10. That means 10 raised to minus 1. Now how you will find out pH? pH equal to how much? pH equal to minus log concentration of H plus mix. Minus log 10 raised to minus 1 equal to what? That minus 1 will come out. So 1 is the pH. What's the pH value? 1 is the pH value. Don't forget. I hope you guys got it. Kavyasha, yes, Kavyasha, yes, Magashri. That's the answer. I hope you got it. Ready now? Okay, so that's the idea, guys. That's the idea. One more question is there. This is the question. The degree of ionization. Degree of ionization means alpha of 0.01 molar solution of HCN. How much? That's the question. How much? So they are telling C value they given. Concentration of HCN they given. Okay, HCN is a weak acid. It's a weak acid. Its C value they given. C value how much concentration? 0.01 molar. 0.01 molar, and its Ka value. What about its Ka value? Ka value equal to 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 10. How much? Ka value equal to 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 10. Then how we can find out alpha? Simple. Alpha equal to root of Ka by C. We learned this equation. Yes or no? Yeah. Root of Ka by C. Why I am taking Ka? Because it's a weak acid, okay. If it is a weak base means root of Kb by C. So that's equal to root of Ka value how much? 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 10 divided by C is 10 raised to minus 2. So what answer I will get? While I am solving that one, I am writing here 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 8 will come. So I can take the 10 raised to minus 8 out. That means 10 raised to minus 4 into root of 4.8. I know root 4 is 2. Root 4 equal to 2. Root 9 equal to 3. So root 4.8 means answer will be in between 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 into 10, in between an answer 2 and 3 into 10 raised to minus 4. Only one option is there, not 2. 2 cannot be because it is 4.8. So more than 2. So option A is the correct answer. I hope you got it. Ready? Yes, Kavisha. Yes, nice. Okay, that's the idea, Kavisha. So that's all about chemistry. I hope you got all the concept. I think we discussed so many concepts in the class, and now I hope everything is clear. I hope so. If you have any doubts means you can ask that in the WhatsApp, or else you can ask through the comment box. Okay, so see you guys. Be energetic, be focused. Don't forget. So the physics sir is waiting. See you again in the next class. Thank you so much.
Hello dear students, welcome back to the physics session. Master NEET program is going on. Many modules we have discussed so far. Just now you got chemistry one module. Now we have physics with the rotational motion. one of the most important and energetic session should be rotational motion. Okay, let's go through it. Question number 1. The solid sphere rolls down without slipping on an inclined plane at angle 60 degree over a distance of 10 meter. The acceleration is, without slipping, a spherical body is rolling. Then the acceleration equation that does not depend upon how far it's moving. You have the equation acceleration A is equal to g sine theta by 1 plus k square by r square. Is it? Please keep in mind, any rolling object, if it is rolled down without slipping, then acceleration will be g sine theta by 1 plus k square by r square, where k is the radius of gyration. Now, here we have a solid sphere. Solid sphere, we have k square by r square will be equal to 2 by 5. Is it? So, g sine theta by 1 plus 2 by 5. If you solve it, you get A is equal to g sine theta by 1 plus 2 by 5. That is 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 by 5. That is equal to 5 by 7 g sine theta. Is it? So, A is equal to 5 by 7 g sine theta. The equation directly. Keep in mind, the acceleration will be 5 by 7 g sine theta for a solid sphere. Now, theta is given here 60 degree. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. So, A will be equal to, this one if you substitute, A will be equal to 5 by 7 into 9.8 into root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So, if you solve it, it will be approximately equal to 6 meter per second square. The answer is 6. Yeah, in meter per second square you have to find. So, C is option. We have answer C. 6. Yeah, Kavi is there, Magasri is there. Yeah, great. Got the correct answer. Good. So, keep in mind, 5 by 7 g sine theta for solid sphere without slipping. Okay, does not depend on how long it travels, whether 10 meter or 5 meter, it doesn't matter. 5 by 7 g sine theta is there. Let's go for the next question. A solid spherical ball rolls on a table. Ratio of rotational kinetic energy to the total kinetic energy is. So, rotational to total kinetic energy, you have to find out the ratio. We have the equation that kinetic energy, total kinetic energy is equal to Ke due to rotational plus Ke due to translation. Is it? So, we have Ke, that's Ke due to rotational is equal to half I omega square. We have half I omega square. That is equal to, we have a solid spherical ball, so you have half into I, the moment of inertia of a spherical ball, that is 2 by 5 mr square into omega square is there, omega we know, that is V is equal to R omega we have, so omega is equal to V square by R square. We get R and R cancels, 2 cancels, that is equal to M V square by 5 we have. That is kinetic energy due to rotational motion. Now, due to translation motion, so ratio of rotational kinetic energy to the total kinetic energy you have to, total kinetic energy, so it will be kinetic energy due to translation motion we have half mv square. Is it? So total will be 1 by 5 mv square plus half mv square. So that's equal to, if you take the 10 as LCM, 10, then it will be 2 plus 5, that is 7 mv square. 7 by 10 mv square is the total kinetic energy. Now ratio of this rotational by total kinetic energy, if you get it, we get Ke of rotational by the total energy will be equal to mv square by 5 by 7 by 10 into mv square. So we'll get it as 2 by 7. Cancel it, reciprocate. 2 by 7 is the correct answer. Yeah, Venkat, is there Kavi? Magasri, yes, correct. This option is A is the correct answer. 2 by 7. How we got it? So total energy equation we have due to rotational motion and translation motion. So total energy we get it. One idea? Then and separately for rotation, then divide it. That's only the ratio. Okay, is that okay? Fine. Let's go for the next question. 3 point masses, each of mass m, are placed at the corners of an equilateral triangle of side L. So you have to draw one equilateral triangle there. So triangle. we have. Now each of mass m is there, m. Suppose it's first option A, B, C, 3 are there. Now moment of inertia of this system about an axis along one side of the triangle is, so any one side of the triangle take it, then what is the moment of inertia about it? You know, net moment of inertia I will be equal to IA plus IB plus IC, the net moment of inertia. So here any one axis you can take it. For example, for time being I am taking this as the axis of rotation. Along AB I am taking the axis of rotation, so around this it's moving. Now total length is L is given, so the object C at what distance will be? Suppose it is H I am putting, H is there, so this will be L by 2 and this is H, this is L. So here you have to find IA, what will be of A is along the axis itself, so IA will be 0 because along the axis the point object A is there. IB will be also 0, the distance is 0. Then IC will be mass m into, this is m and this is the distance of h, so mh square. mr square is the moment of inertia, mh square. So we have I is equal to mh square. We have to find h, that's all. So h will be what? From this triangle you can get, it is 60 degree, this is h, this is L by 2 and this is L. So here sin 60 will be h by L by 2, sorry, h by L. So sin 60 is what, how much? Root 3 by 2, so it gives h is equal to root 3 by 2 into L, that is h. Substitute here, answer is there, m into h square, that is equal to m into h square is root 3 square is 3 by 4 into L, that is 3 by 4 ml square is there. We have the answer, yeah, we have the answer, D is the correct option, 3 by 4 ml square. This is the way of deriving. Directly you can study 3 equal masses are there on vertices of an equilateral triangle, then around any side it will be 3 by 4 ml square. Correct answer, come on, Venkat got C, yeah. Master and Kavi, please check that one. Okay, option D will be the correct answer, 3 by 4 ml square. Is that clear? Nashri, come on, please type. Kavisha and Venkat. Okay? Yes, good. Hope it's clear for you. Do it again after pausing the video. Let's go for the next question. The moment of inertia. Yes, good. The moment of inertia of a circular disc about one of its diameter is I. What will be its moment of inertia about a tangent parallel to the diameter? So a circular disc we have. We have a circular disc. Okay, around about its diameter, one of its diameter is I is given. So around one diameter it is I. Now what will be its moment of inertia about a tangent parallel to its diameter? So about the diameter, one parallel tangent you have to imagine that is, let be this one. Then about this, what will be I dash? You know, principle of parallel axis or parallel axis theorem is studied. I dash is equal to ICM plus m into the distance between them, that is d square. So ICM plus, here the distance is nothing but the radius only, so that is m into r square if you put it, mr square. Now about a parameter, about a diameter, if you do, that is for the disc it will be 1 by 4th of mr square plus mr square, you put it. So it's given 1 by 4 mr square plus mr square is there, so it will be 5 into mr square by 4, is it? That is I dash. So that's the concept, 5 into mr square by 4. Now it's given about one diameter is I is given, I. So that is, you know, around diameter is 1 by 4th mr square. So I is equal to 1 by 4 mr square we have. This is ICM. So this will be 5 times mr square by 4 is I, 5 times I is the correct answer. So about a tangent parallel to this diameter will be 5 into I. So option is For I, okay, there is a correction is there. So anyone you correct it, suppose, okay, this you correct it, this is 5i. Option D is the correct answer, for example. 5i is the correct answer. Is that fine? Yeah, great. DK is there, Kavi, Maxi, Venkata. 5i is the correct answer. Okay. Let's go for the next question. If the earth suddenly changes its radius x times the present value, the new period of rotation would be. So our earth is rotating about its own axis. It suddenly changes the radius to x times, then what will be the new duration of time? We have, there is no external torque acting on the rotation, hence the angular momentum will be constant. That is the relation with this rotation and this chapter. Okay, angular momentum will be constant. We have angular momentum L is equal to I omega. So I omega will be a constant here. Now I, earth is a sphere we have, that is 2 by 5 m r square into omega. Omega is the total time period, that is 2 pi by t, we can say. Time period of 2 pi by t. So I into omega is always a constant. That means here 2 by 5 is a constant, m mass is constant, 2 pi is constant. So it gives you r square by t is always a constant. Keep in mind, for earth, as mass is keeping a constant, then r square by t will be a constant. Since external torque is 0, angular momentum will be constant. R square by t is a constant. Now he is given what will be the new time period you have to find out. So we can have r square by t is a constant. Equation number 1, you could keep it. Then new radius is how much? X times the radius is there. So x times r the whole square by t dash, you put it, should be equal to r square by t. Is it? X times r the whole square by t dash will be equal to r square by t. So that gives you normal time, it is 24 hours. So r square cancels. So x square by t dash is equal to 1 by 24. That gives t dash is equal to, the new time period will be equal to 24 times x square, that much hours. New time it will be. So option here will be, yeah, C is the correct answer here, 24 times x square. Keep in mind, if there is no torque acting externally, angular momentum of the rotation will be constant. So r square by t will be a constant. Equate both new one and old one. Old time period we have 24 hours, then 24 into x square, that much hours will be the time period, new time period. Yes, got it? Venkata is there, yeah. Kavi and Magasri, hope you got it. Concept. Okay, let's go for the next question. If the velocity is v is equal to 3i plus 2j plus 4k and the position vector is r is equal to minus I plus 3j minus 2k for a body of mass m, the angular momentum L equal to, angular momentum L, we have the equation L in vector form is equal to r cross p. It's a moment of linear momentum. That's the angular momentum. So r cross v we have, that is equal to vector r cross mv. Linear momentum is m into v. So that is equal to m into r cross v. M into r cross v is the concept. So cross product of two vectors you have to find out. Here we have the cross product equation. R is, vector r is given. This is the position vector. Is the position vector and this is the velocity vector. So r cross v, separate if you find it, will be I, j, k. You know the determinant method you can do. So r cross v will be equal to the coefficient of r, that is minus 1, 3, minus 2. The order of this product is very important. R cross v you have to find out. So v is 3, 2 and 4. Determinant, to expand. So that will be equal to I into 3 into 4 is 12 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 12 minus minus 4 is 16. So 16 I cap. Minus of j cap into minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, minus minus, that is plus 6, minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2 and minus 0, so minus 2 j cap. K, minus 1 into, that is minus 2, minus 9, that is minus 11 k cap, that is r cross v. So we have here, yeah, 16i minus 2j minus 11k is there, into m will be L. So vector L is equal to m into 16i cap minus 2j cap minus 11k cap. option C is the correct answer. Yeah, my student, we got it. Correct, good. So normal cross product is there, and concept of angular momentum you should keep in mind. Okay, let's go for the next question. A ring of mass m and radius r rotates about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to its plane with angular velocity omega. Its kinetic energy is, kinetic energy of rotation, we have the equation for kinetic energy KER of is equal to half I omega square. Half I omega square is there. So that's equal to half into I is the moment of inertia of the ring, that is nothing but mr square, into omega square. So that is half mr square omega square. So direct question, have the equation to get it. So answer is half mr square omega square, that is A is the correct answer. A direct question. Yeah, get. Venkata got it. Magastri, come here. Very good. Direct question only, half mr square omega square is that. Okay, great. Here is the next question. A spherical solid ball of 1 kilogram mass and radius 3 centimeter is rotating about an axis passing through its center with an angular velocity of 50 radian per second. Is kinetic energy of rotation. Again, same concept. Kinetic energy of rotation, we have half I omega square. Now, I, for a spherical solid ball, that is half into I is the 2 by 5 into mr square into omega square is there. Omega square is already given, yeah, omega square. So if you substitute everything, that is half into 2 by 5 into m is given 1 into r, the radius is 3 centimeters is given, so that is 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 the whole square into omega, the angular speed is given 50 radian per second, so that is 50 into 50 omega square is it. So if you solve this one, 2 and 2 cancels here. Okay, 3 into 3, that is 9, 3 square, 9 is there, then 9 into 50 and 5 can cancel here, 10 is there, 10 is 1, okay, then 50 is there, so 5 into 9, that is 45, into 10 is 2, minus 4 is there, yeah, if you cancel it, it will be 0.45 joules. Is that clear? So option, yeah, D is the correct answer here, 0.45 joules. Yeah, Venkata got this correct answer. Great. Kavi, MXC, hope you got it. DK was there online. Are you there? Yeah, come on. So, concept is clear, 0.45 joule. So, again, half I omega square is the kinetic energy equation. I, moment of inertia to substitute. All the numerical values are given, direct substitution. Conversion you should keep in mind, then it will be okay. Otherwise, see, many 45 multiples are there. So, 0.45 will be the correct answer here. That's fine? Okay. Next question is, a circular disc is rolling on a horizontal plane. Its total kinetic energy is 150 joule. What is the translational kinetic energy you have to find out? So total is given, translation you have to find out. Is it? So here, total kinetic energy equation we have is equal to kinetic energy of rotation plus kinetic energy of translation. Okay, circular disc is given. So total is 150 and what is translation is question. Fine. So here this will be equal to, here is given KER will be half into I omega square. Half into I omega square. That is equal to half into, for a disc it is circular disc, that is m r square by 2 into omega square is nothing but v square by r square. Okay, so this will be equal to, if you do r square cancels, then that is 1 by 4 of m v square, that is the kinetic energy of rotation. Is that fine? Now total is given 150 joule, then what is the translation kinetic energy is question. So there will be from that 150 if you subtract this one. Okay, so almost question will come back across, rearrange it, the option will be 100 joule will be the answer. Cross multiply it and rearrange. Direct question substitution. Is that fine? Option, yeah, previous one D, okay? Venkata? Okay. Yes, let's go for the next question then. A flywheel rotating about a fixed axis has a kinetic energy of 360 joule. So kinetic energy is directly given here, 360 joule. When its angular speed is 30 radian per second. The moment of inertia of the wheel about the axis of rotation is again the same concept. So here we have kinetic energy of rotation is equal to half I omega square. Kinetic energy is given, omega is given, then I you have to find out. So direct replacement, I is equal to 2 into kinetic energy by omega square. Direct substitution method, if you do, this will be almost equal to 2 into kinetic energy is 360 by omega square, that is 30. 30 square is there, so 30 into 30. If you do the concept is coming at 0.8 will be the correct answer. Kilogram meter square. 0.8. Okay, hope you got it. Yes. 0.8 concept. Clear? Let's go for the next question. So rearrangement here only, rotational kinetic energy. That idea is it. Okay. Yes. So this around 10 questions we explained here regarding the rotational motion. Most of them are most important questions. Yesterday also you got a few items in the class also. Okay. So go on practicing. Please crack your dream. This on the go is of. Thank you and see you in next classes. Thank you for watching.